why did you want to participate in Black History Month?
I wanted to participate in Black History Month because I think it's very important to share the rich Black culture that we have. It's very important to everybody to be educated about and be able to perform it on a large mass. So it was really nice.
I would say the most challenging part of rehearsals are learning the dances because some of the moves are a little complex, and then making sure you can attend every practice, being punctual, being able to learn all the moves, like that would be challenging.
I'm feeling really good actually.
A little nervous, but I'm also really excited to share like what we've been preparing for the past couple months.
It's turning out really well. The dancing, the singing. I think it's going to be an amazing performance. And I'm in 11th grade. I think it's important for our school to celebrate Black History Month because it shows that we care about diversity and it encourages our students to be proud of who they are. Thank you.